Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video, and this video is about my beautiful purple afro that you see right now. Okay, I just wanted something different. I just wanted something else. And I would never dye my hair, so I was like, let me do something. This is a crochet braided wig. I'm going to show you how I got this style. But first, before we get into the video, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little bell there for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video. Comment down below. Share this video with your friends. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You already know. I'll see you guys in my next one. Remember to bloom, because a flower is just a soul blossoming in nature.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Okay flowers, we're gonna hop right into it. I got these crochet bundles from eBay. I got 5 of them for about $25, I want to say. I'll post the link down below. So what I'm doing is I'm just splitting those curls in half. Sometimes I get a little snag, so you see me just trying to get that apart. Alright, so once I get that in half, I'm just going to put one to the side, and I'm just going to add the crochet braid in, and I'm just going to pull it out. Excuse my little elbow in the way. And then I tie it. But I honestly don't tie all of them. I actually don't tie most of them, because when you tie it, it kind of just unravels. And when I was just putting them in there, they just kind of stayed. So it's fine. So I'm just literally adding that hair to the hook, closing that hook and pulling it through just like you would do any other crochet. It's the same thing. I'm just doing it in a mesh dome cap. Now this hair is really big, so once I started to get to the top, I did have to take a little bit of hair out from the back, and just because it was just too much hair, I just couldn't do it. And this is just a style that I might throw on here and there or something like that, or I'll actually probably sell this wig. If someone wants to buy it, just hit me up. If anyone watching this video is like, I want this, let me know. But yeah, so be careful with this hair, because it started to kind of like bleed on my hand. It would turn like black. It was disgusting. So I'm not sure if it's gonna do that on clothes. I hope not, because that'd be annoying. Like, who wants to be wearing a white shirt and their hair just starts bleeding on their clothes? That's just irritating. But anyway, so as you can see in the beginning of the video, I did cut it a little shorter. I wanted to hit my shoulder. And now I'm doing the crown of my wig right now, which is about 4 or 5 more pieces, and that's pretty much it. This wig literally took me an hour to do. I kid you not. Like, it was so quick and easy, because you're just putting it in, pulling it through, putting it in, pulling it through. Done, done, and done. The super quick, easy afro style. And it's so interesting, like, fun fact, my real hair cannot afro like this. Like, it won't stand up. It's so weird. It won't stand up unless it's shrunken. But if I try to pick it out, it won't stay out. So I can't really afro my hair. If y'all got tips on ways to afro my hair, if I need to put a certain product, please let me know, because I would love to just have an afro. I can't do it. Alright, so after we have that, this is how the wig looks without it being cut. It is crazy. I look like a poodle. It looks like a poodle head. But I love this purple color. I have had purple hair before. And this is just in a different way. So you can see I can't see anything. So I'm just splitting that, and I'm kind of doing like one of those, you know, bangs in a sense. I'm just going to cut that. And you're just gonna basically shape it around. I want it to be shorter, so I'm just gonna cut it around. I know some people might have liked it a little bit longer, but I don't know. I kind of like it short. Shorter. So I'm just shaping that around so it all has one even shape. And I did go ahead and cut it some more, and this is the final look. I don't know, I like this length so much better. It just looks a little more natural. I wanted it to look like my real hair was afroed out, and I dyed it purple. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I do. Make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.